Hi guys, it's BeeBee. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video we have an unboxing and a review for a website called BB Craft. I've talked about them before on my channel here, but just in case if you aren't familiar with them, they mainly consist of like crafting supplies and high quality jewelry products. I really like their items on their site because they are affordable, they have awesome deals, and they have great prices. So they reached out to me to try out some more of their products and I was like, heck yes. If y'all missed the last unboxing of the BB Craft, that's going to be linked down below, but they package this nicely, they prepare it nicely, and as well as like product links, my discount code, all that's going to be linked down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it and show you guys what I got. Alright, so first up, I have some fabric in this packaging, which I will remove in just a little bit. Alright, now we have a closer look at the fabric that I got. I just wanted to show you guys how they packaged it. And so this is Halloween, and I know that Halloween has already passed, but I don't have that much Halloween fabric, and I just couldn't resist getting me some of this cutie. But this one on their site is for $3.17, and as well, like, their prices fluctuate because sometimes they have deals. But this says that it measures 39.4 by 59 inches, and I just love the shimmer in this. I just think it's so cute. I just very much enjoy the pattern. But yeah, here it is. It is so nice, so pretty. I wish you guys could feel it. Honestly, you can feel the texture of, I guess, the foil on it, but that doesn't bug me. I really quite like it, and I think this is going to be fun for making journals and like decorating maybe future ATCs, things like that. So let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Alright, next up we have some embroidered saree. Again, I left it in the packaging just so you guys can see what it looks like when they do package it. They come in 5 yards, 5 colors, and they are 1.9 inches wide. And you can pick this up on our site for $4.13. Let's go ahead and have us a closer look. Okay, so I went ahead and I removed them from their packaging, and I'm telling you guys, I'm so giddy about this one. Look how pretty those are. Oh my gosh, they are so yummy. I am in love with this. Like, yes, I saw them on their website and stuff, but like to see them in person, I'm just like, oh, so pretty. So here's your pink one. So this is how long of how long of a piece you get. So there's the pink one, here is the blue one. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. I honestly wish they were longer so that I could share with like crafty friends, but like this would be so easy to just hoard because it's so pretty, it's so beautiful. You're probably gonna hear me say that a lot, but I can see so many future projects with these. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. How pretty would this be in a Asian journal or a boho journal? Oh my goodness. Yes, please. So here's the light blue one. Ooh, I know some of y'all are eyeing this one. Look how gorgeous and stunning this one is. Nom 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 nom. It is so pretty. These almost remind me of like peacock feathers. Gorgeous. Okay, last one, we have this yellow one. How pretty would that be for like an Easter journal? Alright, so let's go ahead and clear off this desk and show you guys the next items that I got. Alright, next up, sorry about the glare and as well as the packaging, but this is a Beadable Keychain DIY kit for $5.52. Let's go ahead and have us a closer look once we get it opened. Alrighty, so here we have a closer look at our little box that it comes in. So that's wonderful. You can always repurpose these little boxes, and this is what the beads look like. They are so chunky. You get a variety of different colors, and then what I like about this is that you get 3 different colors. So we have like a black one We have a gold one, and then we have a silver one there at the bottom. So how fun would these be to make? It already comes with everything that you need. I'm sure that you can just unscrew the little ball, but stay tuned because I'm going to be doing some project shares using some of these items from BeeBee Craft, and I would love to share them with you guys here on my channel, so stay tuned. Oh, those are so beautiful. These remind me of like little mushrooms and these like little disco balls. So stinking cute. And I figured that this would make for like great gifts. So again, you could pick this kit up for $5.52 on their site. Let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Alright, next up we have some split ring keychain hardware. This is 100 pieces and it is for $15.19 on their site. I figured that since I'm really getting into like DIY little gifts and stuff, I figured that I could try my hand at making some DIY keychains. I was gifted one of like the handmade keychains and I just absolutely fell in love, and I was like, oh my gosh, I bet I could make something like that. So yeah, let me go ahead and get one out to show you guys what they look like. Alright, so there is a closer look. I hope I'm in focus. Let me double check. Yeah, so you get your little keychain, and then this is the clamp that you clamp onto whatever little hand thing you want to tie it to. But that's gonna make for great fun. I'm excited to make all kinds of patterns and stuff, different types of keychains based off of like my friends and family's likes and stuff. But all right, let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Let's see what else I picked up. All right, next up we have some butterfly appliques. This is exactly how they packaged it. Let's go ahead and give it a open and have a closer look. Okay, so now that I've got it somewhat open, this is 48 pieces, you guys. You get 8 colors. 8 colors for, do you want to guess? Would you like to guess how much you get in this pouch? You get all of this for $4.61. Let's go ahead and have us a closer look. Okay, here we go. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm in view. We got some white ones, and they have like a little pearl on them. How precious is that? You might want to take like a little flat iron or something to iron them out because they do kind of come a little bit warped, but not a problem. And they look so dainty and delicate, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This is gonna look amazing on a journal cover. Ah, look at this green one. So pretty. Okay, so we have our pink, our white, our purple, our green, our blue. Ooh, this one's like a little bit of a light blue still, but like a different type of blue. Okay, so there's that one. And then we have a darker pink here. Okay, let me see how many we got there. Alright, so we've got all our colors here. We've got our white, and then there's one over here that's just underneath the pink one, and that one's a lighter white. So one's like beige, one's white, and then we got our pink, our purple, our blue, and then I just dropped another one. Yeah, our purple. And there you have it, guys. Those are our 8 colors. They are so beautiful. I'm excited to work with these in my journals. Alright, you guys, here is another look at our crafty goodies from BeeBee Craft. So special thanks to them for sending me these items. I'm looking forward to doing some more videos with you guys and uploading some project shares. Also be sure and check out their YouTube program. You can also apply to get free items just like this by promoting them on your channel with your videos. Once they see your channel activity and your traffic criteria, then they determine if you meet their requirements. But the application link is down below, so be sure and check that out. Once again, a special thanks to you guys for having watched my video. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day, and y'all please take care. Bye.